Hi and welcome to Rainey Dewey's Art Spot. I'm going to focus on painting some chickens. I had some chickens a few years ago, quite a few years ago now, and I so enjoyed them. I took a lot of pictures of them and they've been trapped on my computer until now. I got myself a little iPad and I'm happy as all get out. So come along, let's paint some chickens and let's talk about chickens and painting. I'm so happy that I've been able to transfer some of my chicken photo reference, and now I'm going to try to start painting quite a few of them. So I had decided I was going to have chickens, and it was at a time of the year when if you were going to buy them online, because they didn't have them at Tractor Supply, you had to buy 25 because they travel in a little box and 25 of them keep each other warm. So I ordered 25. Okay, in retrospect, that was a little bit too many chickens for one person. Actually, once the eggs started coming, it was too many for one person. I really enjoyed the chickens. I remember when I walked in the post office and I heard this chirping, I thought to myself, oh my goodness, what have I done? They're alive and they're my responsibility. So I brought them home, and boy, what an adventure began. So here I did a quick sketch right directly on the watercolor paper. This is a heavier watercolor paper, 300-pound arches, cold press, very thick, but I still taped it down. And this time I'm going to change it up a little bit. These chickens, they were so brightly colored, and I thought, let me try to kick it up a notch with the laying in my initial washes. So you can see I'm really trying to remember that when the watercolor paper dries, that it dries much lighter, and so I'm trying to really start with a very strong wash. Now, I don't know, I haven't painted enough chickens to know how I'm going to approach this, so it's like anything else, it's going to be an adventure, and it's worth it because it's a subject that I enjoy. I found the chickens to be entertaining and wonderfully kind. I spent a lot of time with them. And so I'm really looking forward to doing some paintings of my chickens. Now, this particular painting is going to take more than one video to complete. I'm going to try to keep them short and let you watch the process. I know if you're like me, a visual is way more effective than reading a book or listening to somebody give you instructions. So that's one of the reasons why I'm talking about chickens and letting you just watch me paint. If you have particular questions about what I have done, please leave a comment or send me an email, and I'd be happy to explain it. I probably will explain things bit by bit, but I just wanted to talk about the chicken adventure and how happily excited I am to be tackling these subjects finally. I have a lot of photographs, and I might intersperse some landscapes in between this chicken talk series, but it's going to be fun no matter what. And the hope is that we'll get a painting that will come out at least decently, and that's yet to be seen because this little painting is not yet completed. A lot of times I will do my videos and paint them to completion, and I'm going to change it up a little bit, and let's just do a work in progress together. So I wanted to thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video in this Chicken Talk series. Thank you again for watching.